It is hot here in Texas. Like 101, 102. So today I said, okay, I'm hot. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the ultimate banana pudding milkshake. It's going to have your cookies, your pudding, your bananas in it. Okay, let's get rocking. So here I want to show you, this is 1/2 cup of milk. This is whole milk. Okay, if we're going to do a banana pudding shake, let's not use 2%. Okay, and this is going to make 2 milkshakes. Okay, you always want to pour your liquid in first. So we're going to pour this in. And here I have banana pudding ice cream. Oh yeah. So we're going to do maybe half of this. You see that? Wonderful. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, let's say do half. All right. So I got half of the banana pudding ice cream in here. Okay, next I did the banana cream jello. I didn't do the instant, I did the cook and serve. For some reason I like that better, so you would do the cook and serve, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, let it cool, and this is the consistency you want. On the box it says use 2 cups, but use 1.5 cups because you want it really thick. So this too is about 2 tablespoons of banana cream pudding. So we're going to put that in here. Let's keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going for this ultimate banana pudding shake. Okay, we got that in there. Next, I have some mini vanilla wafers. So try and get the mini vanilla wafers because they blend better in your mixer. So I'm going to say, let's do maybe 2 big handfuls. Let's go with 2.5. I like cookies, okay? Then last, we're gonna add your banana. So we can just pinch it off and just stick it in here. And then we're gonna blend this baby up. And you know something I found? When I was younger, on Fridays, my daddy would come and take us to the hamburger place. It was called Pat's Drive-In. And we would always get a hamburger and a milkshake. So this banana pudding milkshake with a homemade hamburger would be off the chain. Okay, it's gonna get a little loud, you guys, so hang tight for me. Let's pause it. Oh yeah. Okay, now I want to show you guys this. This is the banana pudding milkshake. Okay, so let's pour it in here. Oh, yum. Wow, look at that. And this might not make 2. Oh yeah, but it did. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to show you how to present these. So hang tight. I'll be back. Stay connected. Ta-da! This is the finished product of the ultimate banana pudding milkshakes. And to decorate them, all I did was take some Reddi whip. I sprayed it on top. I took 2 of the mini vanilla wafers and I stuck them in the whipped cream. Then I sliced the banana and put them on the side. How gorgeous is this? You can make this for a picnic, and also remember Memorial Day is coming up. So this is a good idea to make. Okay, let me try it. OMG. These are wonderful, you guys. You have to try them. And if you'd like, make them, put them in the refrigerator, and get them really cold. And don't add the Reddi whip until you're ready to serve them. Again, this is Mrs. O with the ultimate banana pudding milkshake. You guys stay connected. Please share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And until next time, God bless you.